My name is Myra Sines. I am the owner of Silver Spring Jewelry in Takoma Park, Maryland. We have 3 locations. We are also in White Oak and on Georgia Avenue in Silver Spring. It's a family-ran business since 1971. My father started. I'm second generation. We have been in this area for over 55 years. We buy gold, we repair gold. We have discount prices on all pieces. We can do repairs while you wait. We also have a gold buying and gold pawning in store as well. Collaboration with the support officers that I have with Purple Line has helped us learn about the new improvements, with new changes, the things that are going to be getting improved and worked on in the area. The new Purple Line in Maryland is more than transportation. It is investment in connectivity, opportunity, and the future of our communities. With this new transit system, we'll help reduce traffic, improve access to jobs, schools, and businesses, and create more efficient transportation across the region. It will also strengthen local communities, support economic growth, and open new opportunities throughout Maryland.